Welcome to Dawn Sports, and I'm Altamash Jiwa.
Hi, my name is Altamash and I'm working on the sports desk, and that's all I do. All I do is come in the morning, write sporting scripts, edit sporting news, and that's all I do, buddy. Imagine what 8 hours, that's great. It's better than working on a bank or something. It's better than working anywhere else, dude. You want to be here right now. Trust me. Come and join us.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Dawn Sports. I'm Altamash Jiwa. Wow, that was like almost 10 years ago. Still feeling nervous saying that line, but wow, what a fantastic feeling, and congratulations to the entire team, management and the owners of Dawn TV on completing 10 years. It was my first job back in 2006, and definitely whatever I am today in the media industry, not much, but whatever little part I'm playing, it is because of Dawn TV, and I'm very thankful to the owners and the entire management and also the newsroom staff as well. Wish you many more years of success. Dawn TV and Dawn Media Group is still one of the most credible news outlets of the country, which is a great thing. They have been maintaining that since its start, and well, since it's a requirement of this video that I have to mention what I'm doing right now. Well, after Dawn TV, which I left in 2011, I joined DawnNews, was there for almost 4 years. So I went to London to work at CNN on their sports desk, came back, and now I'm working with their state broadcaster on their sports channel. After working in all these places, I can safely say that DawnNews English especially was the best thing to come out of Pakistan and Pakistani media, and the entire team. Miss all of you. I'm still not on social media, not on Facebook, so if you are watching this video, do get in touch with me. My email address is still the same, majorjiwa@gmail.com. We'd love to hear back from you guys. I'm wishing Dawn TV and the entire management and ownership and everyone very best of luck for the next 10 years and many years ahead. All the best, take care, and hello.